All right, guys. You can see here, we got two very close trees. I'm gonna go up and put a rope in there. Look at that. Finally look at that bad boy going down. Got the cable in there. Just in case you guys are wondering what is going on, I have tied the rope in. Let me explain to you why this tree needs to be removed. Yeah, I'm hanging over that other tree. Okay, well, here goes.
It gives a relief so this wood can bend. See how it's longer right here where I did that cut and it pulled out? So it's pulling that whole time on this rather than breaking like a traditional hinge would.
Nice, nice, very nice. Good stuff, man, good stuff.
Here we go.
I had to sit on that boy. That was a good one.
You're wanting to manipulate and go a different direction, you need to establish an anchor point. So in physics, when you go and fall a tree, when this face cut closes, it snaps this hinge wood. This hinge wood is what gives you directional control side to side, and what allows you to steer a tree wherever you want it. You line it up with your gunning sights on your saw. It's like just like a gunning sight on a gun. Well, this tree wants to go right over the house, right? No question about it. So in order to manipulate that tree, to prevent this hinge wood from breaking right off the bat and losing directional control right off the bat, so I put a relief cut in, a scisswell. On big trees, we'll go all the way down to the roots. Some guys go down until they hit dust. You know, and what that does, you got a quarter inch or 3/8 inch curve. So that allows that wood to bend. So you see how this wood is really sharp and pulled out this far, and it's not on that end? See how the hinge wood broke right here when the face closed, but it didn't right here? So what is that doing when this doesn't break? It's pulling it the whole time. It's pulling that tree. It's anchoring it right here, allowing that energy and motion to swing. See what I'm saying? Yeah.